Hello guys, welcome back to the Chinese. I am Gloria. Today we are going to learn a word, lau. This lau has three meanings. The first one, as a noun, it could be lau overcoat, lau 大褸. If I'm cold right now, my mom will ask me to 摟住. Lau here, it means to cover by a coat. 摟住. And third one, as a verb, it also means to badger, bother. So for example, if you are eating something and then there is a fly flying here and there, then you could say 好煩啊，隻烏蠅摟住晒. It's so annoying. The fly is everywhere. So that is what we learned today. So hope everyone could wear lau. Hope you could have a warm and healthy winter. See you next time. 下次見，拜拜。